Welcome to Servitium. To start receiving customers, there are 3 onboarding steps to complete: registration, subscribing and selecting your profession, and linking your bank account for payouts. Once all 3 steps are done, your business becomes visible in search, and customers can find and book you. Let's get started. Let's begin with step 1, registration. Start by choosing your path. Select business to list your services and get discovered by customers. Create your login by entering your email and password, then tap Sign Up. Next, enter your first name and last name. Then choose a nickname. This helps protect your identity while still keeping your profile professional. Add your date of birth, then tap Next. Now enter your business name. This is what customers will see when they find you on Servitium. Add your phone number. This helps secure your account, and it's also the number customers will use to contact you for services, so make sure it's correct and public ready. Next, set your location. Start typing your address and choose the best match from the suggestions. Confirm your address details carefully. This location is what helps customers find and locate your business in search. If it's incorrect, customers may not see you properly or won't be able to find you nearby. Next, upload a clear profile photo. Using a real photo builds trust and makes customers more confident to book with your business. Next, add a cover image or your business logo. This is what customers see first on your profile, so use a clear 16:9 image that represents your brand. And that completes step 1, registration. Next, we'll move to step 2, subscription and selecting your profession. Servitium has one simple plan: $25 per month with your first month free. Tap Continue to proceed. Review the plan details, then confirm to activate your free first month and start your subscription. Now select your profession. This tells customers what you offer and helps you appear in the right searches. You can choose from the drop-down or type to search and select the best match. The first 3 categories are free. If you add more than 3, each additional category is $5 per category per month. This keeps profiles focused and avoids overcrowding services. If you can't find your profession, reach out to us and we'll create a category for you. Next, we'll move to step 3. Link your bank account for payouts. This step is required to receive payouts and go live. From your home or profile screen, tap Link Now under My Bank Account. Enter your bank account number, then add your transit and institution number. You can find these in your online banking or on a void check. Next, upload your ID and proof of address. In Canada, Stripe accepts government documents like a passport, provincial or territorial photo ID, permanent resident card, or study permit. For proof of address, you can upload a utility bill or bank statement, and in some cases, documents like an insurance or property tax statement. Once both documents are attached, double-check your details and tap Submit. When you see bank account linked successfully, you're ready. Your payouts are set up, and your business is now live and visible. You can confirm at any time under My Bank Account, where the status will show as linked. And that completes your onboarding. Your business is now live in search. Next, head to the Profile Setup tutorial to finish your business details, services, and pricing.